Since October 2022, Wyze has released a slew of new stuff. There's the V3 Pro, an upgraded version of Wyze's hit camera, the Wyze Cam V3. This new version is more expensive, but it streams in 2K video and has an added spotlight feature and something Wyze is calling Smart Focus. Unfortunately, this camera is so popular that it's already sold out on Amazon and Wyze's website. But that's not the only release from this budget brand. Today, we have the Wyze Cam Pan V3, a totally reimagined pan and tilt camera. Wyze released its first back in 2018, and its new direction feels really original. Along with this new look, the Cam Pan V3 is weatherproof, adds on motion tracking, and is $10 cheaper than its predecessor. Today, I'll be unboxing this new camera and testing it out in the studio before I review it for real. And don't worry, we haven't forgotten about the V3 Pro. So be sure to like and subscribe to see our unboxing and review once we get our hands on that one. So let's open her up. Okay, so before I do that, I wanted to go ahead and just show you what the original looks like. It's this kind of tower design that swivels around this way with the eye that swivels up and down like that. This new one is kind of reminds me of a pair of dice stacked onto each other, and I'd never seen a camera that looks like that. So I'm pretty excited to see how it goes. And now to remove the sticker, which is always the hardest part, other than reboxing. All right, here we go. So, I'm gonna make sure this is facing the right way. All right, the moment of truth. So, okay, first off, I love that they have everything in one nice little package. A lot of Wyze's package before have been really compartmentalized, and stuffing cords and other things back into the box has been so hard in the past. But let's see. Oh, cool, we got stickers. I love some stickers. I backed the Wyze Cam Pan. So I think these will go onto the actual camera. You get a quick start guide. Pretty cool. And there it is. It's a little heavier than I expected. Very cool. Here. I'm gonna see some home security ASMR. So smooth. So here we go. We see that just like the old one, it has that base that swivels like that. But this top moves up and down as well. So we can reach the SD card here. Holds up to a 256 gigabyte, is it gigabyte? 256 gig SD card. There's the setup button. We'll be pressing that in a moment. It looks like the power goes in here. And it's got this clever little slot so you don't have to worry about the power cords poking up where it won't lay flush on the table or anything. So let's set that down and get the power cable out. It also looks like it comes with a mounting bracket, which is pretty cool. Here we have the power cable. And then screws for the mounting kit. All right, so that's everything in the box. Let's get it set up. All right, so, whoo, don't drop it. Okay, so setting it up, we've got our cable plugged in. We're going to pop that in here. Nice and smooth. I love this design right here where it makes it flush. That's so smart. And face that up so you can see it. You can see right now it's glowing red. It's receiving power. So now we go into the Wyze app. Oh, look at that. It's moving. Look at her go. Okay. So from the Wyze app, we're going to add a device. Cameras. Oh, they have so many cameras now, it's wild. All right, Wyze Cam Pan V3. Okay, plug your cam into the power outlet. It's glowing red. check. All right, add into the network. Press setup under your camera.
Ready to connect.
Ready to connect. Okay. All right, and we've got a QR code for the camera.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
Okay. And connecting. And you can tell that it's pairing because we have this light blinking red and blue.
Cannot connect the local network.
I was afraid of that.
Unfortunately, the internet at the office was not cooperating, so I took it home to show you what this looks like in the app. As you can see, Wyze walks you through the whole installation process. Once I was done, I took a few clips. Here's what those look like.
So I'll be doing a review on this particular camera in the next couple weeks, so drop a comment with anything you want me to check out. My plan was to set it up inside and outside since it's weatherproof and see how it does. We'll also be doing more reviews on the new Wyze cams as they come out and as we can get our hands on them. So like and subscribe to catch those when they come out. Thanks for watching and stay safe.